When our daughter was about a year old, I remember playing in the backyard, and my husband starts twirling her around and playing chase. And I can still hear her laughter and him saying, "I'm gonna get you," is an activity we'd played before. But that day, my heart exploded into a million pieces watching them. And I thought, this is what I want to remember. This feeling of joyful bliss. That moment sparked a newfound purpose in my photography journey, to capture joy and connection in the human condition. Hi, I'm Rachel, and I know how insanely easy it is to get lost in the messy chaos of life and forget those moments that feel so utterly perfect, even when you think you won't. Things like the spontaneous hugs from your toddler, the belly laughs when you tickle them, the joys of hearing your kids play happily in the other room, and watching them light up with excitement just to play a game with you. I love getting to know each family through questions about their crazy life. We dive into those moments that you so badly want to freeze time. The times that are perfect madness and make your heart explode. That joy is what keeps you going when you've had 3 hours of sleep. It's what puts your whole crazy life into order and makes it clear what you're working so hard for. You have a life that's beautifully messy and perfect in every way. You do. I believe those blissful moments matter. They're everything. When you hire me, you don't have to worry about perfect outfits or the perfect home or the perfectly behaved child. I meet you right where you're at, and we tell your beautiful family story.